welcome back to the channel. So we just kind of showed up to this impromptu car meet. I just got told to bring a Miata out to this little Miata page thing, and we show up and apparently a lot of other people have planned to be out here. So there's freaking probably 200 cars, so many people, and I know it's not a good thing, but the first part of the quarantine has just been lifted here in Arizona, and yeah, so we kind of just popped in, just took a few clips, and now we're gonna go get some chicken and go out to the canyon. This is pretty crazy though. This is a lot of people. Cops came and they didn't really care, surprisingly. So, well, anyways, welcome to the video. I need underglow. Alright, get the fuck out of here. I'll be back. Now another one. They bent that you. Oh, I would have got it. We can probably get Alex over here. Yeah, we can. Get someone, everybody. Another Miata. Looks like we're about to get kicked out of here, though. Cops are over there. He was asleep when I was. Since everybody's here, but I don't know.
Wow, still not as loud as your mom.
Oh, isn't that the car that's like stupid loud two-step? That's always that IFO, just like blowing everybody's eardrums.
The white car?
Yeah. No. I think the one I'm thinking was like a lot bigger, but.
He has something, I can't remember what he said.
I didn't even tell you a drink, but I'll take whatever.
Doctor.
And then another girl came.
Did you see how many Miatas were there? You see how we fit like 7 of them in like 3 spots?
I saw your fan base over there too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So this one has coleslaw. So it's a regular one. So it's one of your guys's. Don't ever trust anybody who gets coleslaw. Sorry guys.
What the hell? Coleslaw's fucking bomb. What's wrong with you? Oh.
My socks are at least a little bit fashionable.
What are your socks?
Gray tubes.
Get the fuck out of here.
So Yeet J is trying to put his car back together before we go to canyons.
Too bad I can't take it.
Twitter talk.
With what tires?
The tires they're on right here.
Look at those boys.
They're slicks. They're Mickey Thompsons.
They're Hoosiers. Hoosiers.
Don't like what?
Just half shot.
Just beat into submission. Beat it like your ex-wife.
Is that? My ex-wife beat me.
Got a restraining order on her.
wait, which one is it?
Wait, which one is Mrs. number 1? Her. Yeah.
Supposed to be.
Yeah.
Zoe?
Yeah.
Zoe, DJ beats you?
I was gonna say, I feel like that's not the move.
No, I mean, that's how you freaking do it though.
It might just be on. You just haven't checked yet.
That's what I said. Get it, guys?
Nope, it's not on. I feel that whole spline.
Oh, he's fast. What are you doing, April?
Oh, God fucking damn it. God damn it. Oh my God, I'm done. Do you want some Smarties?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
I can smell the ethanol when you were like a mile ahead of me.
It's 5 months so fucking rich.
How much car does it make?
464 wheel.
Oh, what the gosh, dang.
434 wheel torque.
We're finally heading out. It's like, what time is it? It's 11:06. I don't know how long I'll be out here, but I brought the GoPro, so maybe I'll do a run and just maybe chase somebody. We'll see. I don't know. But yeah, let's go get out there, hang out for a little bit, just enjoy hopefully some cooler air, because it's still hot. It's 11 at night and it's still like 90 degrees.
Are you? While he was talking to you? Oh my god. Look at that ass. That big old porker.
Since DJ didn't get in trouble, what even happened? I had Zoe filming while we were chasing the fit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what happened with that?
I was in his butt, he was in Ramon's butt.
Yeah.
We were just caboosing it around, and
Caboosing it.
yeah, we came to the turn, and then cop smashed his brake lights, and I was like, "That's definitely a cop." She's like, "No, it's not." I was like,
It definitely was a
Those
cop.
are Explorer taillights. That's DPS. It's got to be.
Yeah.
And then Ramon kind of slows down a bit, and then he ends up going again. And then we get like past the first bridge, and then we're starting to gun it up again. I look over my shoulder, and the whole canyon's lit up with his lights or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm like, no.
Oh my God.
And then I turned to Zoe. I was like, "I'm gonna drop you off at your car. We're getting out of here. Like, just go." And so that's exactly what I did. I dropped her off, and then me and the rest of us just dipped out
That
there.
fucking drunk dude almost killed me.
Yeah, I'm
Bro,
sure.
like,
Oh yeah, no, he blew past me doing probably 90. I thought it was a freaking sheriff flying in.
What the fuck?
Oh no, like
he
it
was
blew my
going-
car a
he
little
was
bit, but like he
going
was
fast
just
as
Like 130.
gone.
He rolled a lot. I was like,
Yeah.
But so
It didn't get worse for his crash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say it didn't. Yeah.
Well, he was on the
Wild
driver's
night.
side.
Well, bringing this to the next day, last night was pretty hectic. So we got out to our normal driving spot really late, and there's already a lot of cars on the way out, and usually that is not a good sign. But anyway, we get there, we do a run, we're hanging out for a long time, and then all of us decide to do one run before we head out. And then on the way out, we ended up blowing past a cop, and then yeah, you saw that in the video. And then yeah, it just didn't really turn out to be a good time for everybody else. I don't know how I didn't get caught up in that, but I'm thankful I didn't. So and then on the way out of the freaking driving road, there was some drunk driver almost blew me off the road, and then he ended up actually rolling his truck right before the spot where everybody hangs out at, and he was like asking people driving by if they could help him flip over his truck and stuff. But yeah, so wild night, and here I am next morning trying to get coffee. Lord forbid this Dunkin' line from quarantine is 20 miles long, but I'm also dropping off sticker orders. We got a couple going out right at the moment, so if you want to get yours, hit up the Big Cartel, christinowski.bigcartel.com. But yeah, I don't really know if we have anything else going on today, because that was kind of a lot of excitement. We got some driving in, so yeah. I always forget which one to put it in, so I think just this normal collection one. Oh, I can't reach that. Miata's too small. Okay, there you guys go. Alright, so back at home, I'm going to start working on this AC stuff. I ordered my compressor, but it's not going to be here for a couple days yet. So in the meantime, I can do the expansion valve, receiver dryer, which is under my little thing I made here, and my condenser, which I don't know. I'll figure that out. I might just have to lean the radiator forward or pull it out from underneath the car. But I'm not going to do that for this video. I've had a few of you guys ask me if I can make a video just solely on that. So I will. I'll just make a quick how-to video, probably for my next video. So yeah. Well, I'm going to end this off here though, because I'm going to save the AC stuff for next video. Anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like on the video. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing. And yeah, kind of yeah, lesson learned. Don't go out on your driving roads super late at night after people have already been out there causing a ruckus. And yeah, anyways guys, Turbo Miata should be done here hopefully in a couple weeks. Just waiting on that CX Racing intercooler. It's on back order. Sucks, I know. I'm very impatient, but you know, it's probably for the best. And yeah, we'll figure something out after that. Hopefully I can get this AC working, because it's already hot. It's not even, we're beginning of May and it's already 100 degrees in Arizona. Normally it's end of June type weather. But anyways guys, do what you love, feed with the rest. See you in the next one. Peace out.